Hi Lovies, welcome back to my channel, Just Missy. I'm so glad that you're here. Today I'm going to be focusing on packing up some things in mostly my kitchen and getting it clean and under control, because with the busyness of moving and all the things that go along with it, the kitchen got a little out of hand and it needs some TLC today especially. So I hope that this will give you some great motivation to get up and clean your kitchen with me, or you can just sit and watch and get your inspiration and then clean after. But today we're going to be focusing on the kitchen, which I feel in my heart of hearts is the heart of the whole home because it's the most used. I feel like I have to clean that thing 15 times a day. And when I don't, it looks like how you're going to see in a few minutes. So on top of all of that though, I'm also, taking down some decor and packing and putting away so that I'm cleaning places that I don't normally clean and touch normally anyways. So because I'm going to be leaving a beautifully clean home to the people who have bought this place, I'm not going to leave a mess for them because that's just not my style. So I'm cleaning as I go. So I hope that you get some good motivation out of this. I'm going to put some great music on, and I hope that you clean with me or you clean after. So let's do this.
never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea. What will be, wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills, but no dollars. But now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for the ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this. remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over.
Okay, lovies, that's it for this video. I will have another one up very soon because I'm doing a lot of work in the house and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. And as I always say, whether God has blessed you with a mobile home or a mansion, He will bless you with more, and it really is true. I am so blessed to have each and every one of you in my life. I love you, but He loves you more, and I will be seeing you and talking to you in the next video. Until then, please take care of you. Know that God loves you, I love you, and I'll be seeing you then.